Dictation start. I haven't seen the Kashmir Files yet. I know there are mixed reactions to the film. Some says it's an accurate depiction of the pain suffered by hundreds of Kashmiri Pandits. Critiques of the film assert that it's a divisive film that embellishes facts and exaggerates them with the sole aim of creating religious disharmony. As I said, I have not seen the film. I hope to, if and when it becomes conveniently available on OTT platforms. However, I do know that whether we agree or disagree with the film's narrative, factual depiction, or motives, we can't deny that the exodus of Kashmiri Pandits has remained a neglected issue. Most of the 90s India remained blissfully ignorant when Kashmiri Hindus, a majority of them Kashmiri Pandits, were driven from their homes nestled in idyllic locales. Delhi would know some of it as it bore the brunt of the refugees, but others in different parts of the country were unaware of the seriousness of the situation. Only years later, while encountering Kashmiri refugees, would one learn of the torment that they underwent. Some friends tell me they left behind thriving businesses, hotels, cinema halls, and of course their homes, many thrown thrown into refugee camps with squalid conditions overnight. The horror of the brutal killings, the ignominy of existence, the archival footage is enough to make one shudder. This conversation around the forced immigration of Kashmiri Pandits from the valley has been long overdue. While we have discussed enough about religious fantasism surrounding unfortunate events such as the demolition of the Babri Masjid. Many have remained silent on the issue of Kashmiri Pandits. The exodus is an uncomfortable occurrence that took place in secular modern India. It is also a complex issue. One-sided cinematic narratives don't speak of the friendships between Hindus Muslims in the valley.